10 stunning and stylish Amazon home decor finds that will make your space look expensive. Imagine the warm glow of wall sconces adding elegance to your walls, or a nesting coffee table set bringing a sleek, modern touch to your living room. From the tabletop fire pit that creates a cozy ambience to LED candles that add a soft, inviting glow, these stunning Amazon finds will make your space look effortlessly high-end. As always, links are in description. Let's dive in. Wall sconces. This wall sconces set is an elegant lighting solution designed to enhance your home's ambience with style and convenience. Featuring a sleek, modern design, these sconces blend seamlessly with any decor, whether contemporary, industrial, or traditional. They provide soft, warm illumination, making them perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, or entryways. The high-quality materials ensure durability, while the easy installation process allows you to mount them effortlessly without the need for complex wiring. These sconces also offer versatility in lighting options, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Whether you're looking to add a touch of sophistication to your space or simply improve your lighting setup, this set is an excellent choice. Functional and visually appealing. These sconces are designed to provide both aesthetic enhancement and practical lighting for any area of your home. Tabletop fire pit. This tabletop fire pit brings the warmth and charm of a cozy fireplace right to your dining table, patio, or living space. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it features a compact yet stylish build that makes it easy to place anywhere. The sleek and modern design complements any setting, creating an inviting ambience for relaxation or social gatherings. Crafted with high-quality heat-resistant materials, it ensures safety while providing a mesmerizing flame effect. The fire pit operates with clean burning fuel, reducing smoke and odor, making it an excellent alternative to traditional fire pits. Whether you're enjoying a quiet evening or hosting guests, this piece adds a unique touch to any space. Its portability and ease of use make it an ideal addition to your home, bringing warmth and elegance wherever needed. White throw blanket for couch. This white throw blanket for couch is a cozy and stylish addition to any home, providing warmth and comfort while elevating your decor. Made from ultra-soft, high-quality fabric, it is perfect for snuggling up on chilly evenings, reading a book, or watching your favorite show. Its elegant white color blends seamlessly with any interior design, adding a touch of sophistication to your living room, bedroom, or guest space. The breathable yet warm texture makes it suitable for year-round use, ensuring comfort in all seasons. It is also lightweight and easy to fold, making it convenient for storage or travel. Whether draped over a couch, chair, or bed, this blanket enhances your space with a luxurious feel. Machine washable and easy to maintain, it is designed for long-lasting use and effortless care. LED candles. This LED candles set offers a safe, flameless alternative to traditional candles, providing the same cozy and romantic glow without the risk of fire. Designed with realistic flickering effects, these candles mimic the gentle movement of real flames, making them perfect for setting a warm ambience in any room. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or special occasions, they can be placed anywhere without worrying about wax drips or smoke. Each candle operates with energy-efficient LED technology, ensuring long-lasting performance while consuming minimal power. Battery-operated and remote-controlled, they provide convenience and versatility in lighting control. Whether used for home decor, holiday celebrations, or relaxation, these candles offer elegance and safety in one package. Their durable construction ensures they remain a timeless piece in your decor, enhancing your space with a beautiful candlelit glow. Industrial table lamps. This industrial table lamp set is a perfect combination of modern design and vintage appeal, making it an excellent lighting choice for any home or office. Featuring a sleek metal base with exposed bulbs, these lamps create a bold, industrial-inspired aesthetic that enhances any space. Whether placed on nightstands, desks, or side tables, they provide ample illumination while adding a decorative touch. The adjustable brightness levels allow you to customize the lighting to suit your needs, making them ideal for reading, working, or setting a relaxing ambience. Built with high-quality materials, these lamps are durable and designed for long-term use. The compact yet eye-catching design makes them suitable for small spaces without compromising on style. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home office or add character to your living area, these lamps are a versatile and functional choice. Automatic curtain opener. This automatic curtain opener brings effortless convenience to your home, allowing you to control your curtains with the push of a button. Designed for modern living, this device seamlessly integrates with smart home systems, enabling voice control and app-based operation. Whether you want to let in natural light or create privacy, this opener automates the process, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Ideal for large windows or hard-to-reach curtains, it enhances both comfort and efficiency in your space. The installation is straightforward, and its compatibility with various curtain types ensures broad usability. Energy-efficient and quiet in operation. It adds luxury to everyday routines without disturbing your peace. Whether used in bedrooms, living rooms, or office spaces, this smart device makes window treatments more convenient and sophisticated. Upgrade your home with the perfect blend of automation and elegance. Modern ceramic vase. This modern ceramic vase is an elegant decorative piece that enhances any room with its minimalist and contemporary design. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, it features a smooth, refined finish that complements a variety of interior styles, from modern to classic. Its sleek silhouette makes it an eye-catching centerpiece, whether displayed alone or filled with fresh or dried flowers. Ideal for coffee tables, dining spaces, or shelves, this vase brings a touch of sophistication to your decor. The durable, handcrafted build ensures longevity, while its neutral tones allow for effortless styling. Whether used as a standalone statement or as part of a floral arrangement, this vase adds elegance and refinement to any setting. Its timeless appeal makes it a perfect addition to both home and office spaces, offering beauty with lasting durability. Wall sconce light. This wall sconce light is a sophisticated lighting fixture designed to add elegance and functionality to any space. With its sleek design and high-quality construction, it enhances bedrooms, hallways, and living rooms with soft, ambient lighting. The modern aesthetic blends seamlessly with contemporary or classic decor, providing both style and practicality. Designed for easy installation, it offers a hassle-free setup without the need for complex wiring. The adjustable lighting direction ensures optimal illumination, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether used as accent lighting or a primary source of brightness, this sconce elevates your home's interior. The durable materials and energy-efficient design make it a long-lasting addition to your decor. Perfect for those who appreciate both aesthetics and utility, this fixture enhances your home while maintaining a sleek, polished look. Nesting coffee table set. This nesting coffee table set is a versatile and space-saving solution designed to add both functionality and elegance to your living area. Featuring a set of 2 or more tables that nest together, this design maximizes space while offering flexible arrangement options. The sleek and modern finish complements any decor style, making it perfect for contemporary, minimalist, or classic interiors. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures durability and stability for everyday use. The tabletops provide ample surface area for drinks, decor, or storage while maintaining a stylish and uncluttered look, ideal for small apartments or larger living rooms. These tables can be used separately or stacked together to suit your needs. Whether hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this set enhances your space with both practicality and sophisticated style. Under cabinet lights. This under cabinet light set is a game changer for home lighting, offering a sleek and efficient way to brighten up kitchens, closets, or workspaces. Designed for easy installation, these lights provide instant illumination exactly where you need it. Featuring motion sensor technology, they turn on automatically when movement is detected, adding convenience to your daily routine. The dimmable LED lights allow for adjustable brightness, ensuring the perfect ambience for any setting. With a wireless, rechargeable design, these lights eliminate messy cords and provide a clutter-free look. Whether enhancing your kitchen's functionality or adding visibility to dark areas, these lights are a practical and stylish addition. Their slim profile and modern aesthetics ensure they blend seamlessly into any decor. Ideal for homeowners seeking convenience and style, these under-cabinet lights transform everyday spaces effortlessly. That's a wrap on Amazon home decor finds that will make your space look expensive. From stylish wall sconces to a modern ceramic vase, these budget-friendly pieces can completely transform your space. Whether you're upgrading your living room or adding cozy touches to your bedroom, these finds bring elegance without breaking the bank. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more amazing home decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.